The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in a bid to preserve a clean and eco-friendly environment, is set to initiate the Agro Forestry carbon credit project in its designated areas. The chief executive member of the council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, alongside officials from the council's forest department and the state government, met with IORA project managers from New Delhi to discuss the project's implementation in Meghalaya. CEM Pyniaid Sing Syiem mentioned that a committee has been established to oversee the necessary preparations for the project's commencement. He also informed that there have been requests from public for coal burning in specific areas around the council's jurisdiction which have been declined. The council has issued a stern warning to the public against such activities that harm the environment, and violators will face penalties.
Kani ka meeting nila khadru yaki nong mikmat representative naka IORA kadika we naka kenhun hapo badan hapo nong ba Delhi kaba pek bakmi bat kabala shimti shibun teliki project nang ta kumno ban wanra kajing hikai kaba kerpang yaki brio hapo ri India but ka project ka bakila le la daki pautuli mdeshu tang paul imal ajan shispa san pautuli kumno ban aji kai ki brio ban preserve lene ban penek pensa ki cloud betap kumno ban hikai ban thungding kumno hikai ban rap ru wat ikinong rap kiding so kiwe ki bala se kala ban long ka jingkur khu hakaba penmi yakal air ka bakhoi nakiniki jingthung but tang kata kanika kenhun kale research ru bakumno banla banwanra ya kajing mentoi kajing yo nong yakini kinong rap hadu ki riushimet niki ki kenhun ki baper ki badan yakini ki jakarap ki badan yaki jaka cloud kini ki private plantation niki we bakin ai jing mentoi yaki lingba kanika project te kanika project ki khot ka Agro Forestry Carbon Finance Project but lawan mi khmat ru dai way representative badai yakari India I badai na po Netherlands I badai na kanika akon kalong kum ka institution ka ba pet ban finance baru ban penyat yo yakiniki ya ka carbon credit ke bangiong dan ni kumanshu pentip EP nak initiative jong chief minister Meghalaya ru la persyang banwara ekanika PES system hapo Meghalaya kata ka payment for ecosystem hapo Meghalaya dengi kan ya kajing penjat mariang penjulor ya ka sun beneng kiu ka pollution la benong kadai nakadaw yu dai kum kini kajing ailat ban tharanga te nakaliang jungi council ru ni perkhing bat ni persya bahai kani bat ni penstom ru kibriu ki bangilap baki thangranga namar phi haba thangranga mkhen ru diang bakat no barit no bahe thangranga te bakani ka pendu bahai ka mariang ka pendu ka khndo ka pendu ka penjut ya ka sunbeneng ka khoi ke jungi ka ba sibun ki jingpang ni la ban yo jingpang klong snam kini tai ha nakiniki jingjabo jong pamarian teng hangni ri Khasi impat kai deng mas than kamdei ru na covid let's say hakiwi ki jela ki nongba ki bala khamhe kum ka Delhi menta la sedang ka pollution dalek hab deng mas nomor ba ka tedam palat te tengi I ba ka jing thangranga ka de ka wei na ka daw ba pensniu bahai kamarian te nakaliang ka ki HDC menta la don lang ki officer jong forest ila ada bating ba kumnum no ki forest plantation joki riushimet na jongno dono ban wan pan permission nangi ban thangranga ngimju ai kamju don kumata permission ban thangranga te bat ya kanika project ka jungi ngin sahikai ru ikibri kumno bakin la ban im dalade phi phinapet ekowas Khasi Hills kumba ong shwa ban khangdeng house nam khandai spa khandai phunrio shwa ban mi ka supreme court order ban khangdeng ki bon bha ki ba im na ka dien ba kimju thangranga ondala khangdeng menta bon ba thangranga te lingba kani project ngin target ken ban aji hikai kibreu phila ban im na kamariang ngiru ngi hab ban perkhat ya kamariang kamut hangni ngi don kam ya ka balance ubriu khun ban riu po prathai don kam ya kamariang mariang ru kadan kami ngi ban ya rap markelian te ka livelihood ru dekawai ka yo ka kot lingba kani ka project baro ka kentup lut hani te ondangi la dep le sin shong da kani committee dengan sapen shai ba ke jingmen toy ba lingba kani project la ban ai shik ba